in that particular area is probably the 4-hour weekly, which will probably line up just as well. So like, yeah, there you go. If we can get a pullback in here, that's a daily, also a weekly time frame. Just looking at previous candles bullish, sorry. Previous candles bullish, do about 50% of the previous candle, the open of the candle, and then see where things go. Why? Because if you look here, price tends to come back about 50%. Where can we start seeing some turnaround? Well, it's definitely after price gets away from this close area here, or the open area. So if we were to go look last week, what that looked like, that looks like this right here. And so when you get price close, you have a 50% area, which look, lines up nice and neat with that support resistance area. Oh, look, that's even in the past.